Dear student, welcome to you e-learning classes managed by Modern English School Nawada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School New Area Nawada. A student, today discuss some remain problem of exercise 5A related to arithmetic progression. So see here, this type question I solved in examples, but now again one times you see what types you have problem in these questions. Here is question number 17. Question is that find the middle term of AP 6, 13, 20 dot dot 216. Solution here, you write it is AP 6, 13, 20 dot 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 216. First you write what is A? A is equal to 6. What is D? D is equal to 13 minus 6, that is 7. And what is Tn? That is nth term is equal to 216. So first we find n. So Tn is equal to 216. Then A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 216. Now what is A? A is 6 plus n minus 1. What is D? D is 7 is equal to 216. Then here is 6 plus 7n minus 7 is equal to 216. Then here 7n minus 1 is equal to 216. So you write here 7n is equal to 216 plus 1, that is 217. So what is n? N is 217 by 7. 7 3 and 1 that is 31 term are present in this AP. Now your question is what is the middle term? The total number of term are 31. Then it is clear it is odd number. So middle term is equal to 1 by 2 n plus th term. Then it is 1 by 2 31 plus 1, that is 32 by 2, that is 16. Then it is clear 16th term is the middle term of this AP. So you find what is 16th term, and it is equal to 1 A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A? That is 6 plus n is 16 minus 1. What is D? That is 7. So here is 6 plus 15 into 7 and 6 plus 105, that is 121 is the approx middle term in this AP. How you find what is middle term? So first you find how many number in it. You write here number will be 31. Then if you have 31 term, then what is middle term? That is middle term is, if number is odd number, then middle term is 1 by 2 n plus 1 th term. And 31, that is 16th term is the middle term. Then your question is what is find the middle term? That number is 16th term, then find it 16th term. Next question, number is 20. That is find the 8th term from the end. Find the 8th term from the end of the AP. The end term is 184, then find its 8th term from last. That is 184, then what, then what, then what. That is what is the last 8th term. So here is the formula from last nth term is equal to n minus 1 into D. So what is last term? That is 184 minus n is what term? That is 8 term. Then 8 minus 1. What is D? D is 3 because 10 minus 7 is 3. Then it is 184 minus 7 into 3, that is 184 minus 21, then it is 163. So from the last of this AP, the 8th term is 163. The formula of the in the AP, from the last term you can write any number, that is nth term is equal to n minus 1 into D. L means last term, n means what number asking in your question, that is 8 terms, and D is the difference of the AP, and difference is always T2 minus T1. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So use this formula and you can find the any number of the AP from the last. and that number is L minus N minus 1 into D. Then L is the last term, so it is 184. N is the asking your question is third term, that is 8, and D is the common difference, and common difference is always T2 minus T1, that is 3. So 184 minus 21, you get 163. It is the solution. Now question 22 is 184 is the term of the AP 3, 7, 11, 15 dot. So first you write AP is 3, 7, 11, 15 dot. So first you write what is A is equal to 3, what is D, that is 7 minus 3, that is 4, and your question is what it is the Tn possible or not. So you write Tn is equal to 184, then A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 184. What is A? That is 3 plus N minus 1, and what is D? That is 4. So it is 184. Next it is 3, then you write 3 plus 4N minus 4 is equal to 184. So here is 4N minus 1, because plus 3 and minus 4, that is minus 1, is 184. What is 4N? It is equal to 184 plus 1, that is 185. So what is N? That is 185 by 4. Then it is equal to 4 4 the 16, and here is 2 5 6 the, and some pointer here, otherwise 1 by 4. It is not possible. Why? Because N is the position of the number, and the position is never in the fractional form, it is never in the negative form, and it is also never in the decimal form. N is always in the form of whole number, like as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. It is never in the form of 46 followed by 4. So we can say 184 is no the term of this AP. Term is AP is only possible when N is like a natural number and whole number etc. It never in the form of fractional, it is never in the form of mixed numeral, it is never in the form of decimal, it is never in the form of minus negative term. So we can say that is 184 is not the term of the AP. Now which term 121, 117, 113 in the first negative term. So dear students, first write solution, and that is AP is 121, 117, 113 dot. Your question is what is the first negative term? Because this number in the descending form, then it is clear when it is in negative after some term. So your question is what term? That is we get first negative. So you write that is Tn term is less than 0. Negative means less than 0. So you write here Tn less than 0, and it is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D less than 0. What is A? That is 121 plus N minus 1. What is D? D is minus 4. 117, 121, 117 minus 121, that is minus 4. Is less than 0. What you get here? You get 121 minus 4N plus 4 is less than 0. Then 121 plus 4, that is 125 minus 4N less than 0. What you get here? You get 125 less than 4N. That is 125 by 4 less than N. That is 30 whole 154 N. Then it is clear the number of N is 30 whole 1 by 4 greater. That is what number? After 31 whole 1 by 4, that number whole number is 32. Then you can write 32th term is first negative term. First negative term. Because your question is here that N is greater than 31 whole 1 by 4, that means n is greater than this number, and this number is 31 whole 1 by 4. So after this, n is always in the whole number. So after what number or whole number after 31 whole 1 by 4, then it is clear that number is 32. So you can write 32 and 32 second term is the first negative term. Now question number 27. The fourth term of an AP is 0. Prove that its 25th term is triple its 11th term. Dear student, first you write here solution and then write the fourth term of AP is 0. That means T4 is equal to 0. Then T4 is equal to A plus N minus D is equal to 0. Then A plus 3D is equal to 0. So A is equal to minus 3D. It is first equation. Next, your question is 25th term is triple its 11th term. What is T25? T25 means A plus 25 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 24D. What is A? A is given here. That is minus 3D plus 24D. That means 21D. Second equation. And if T11. T11 means A plus 11 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 10D. What is A? That is minus 3D plus 10D. That is 7D. It is second term. What you get here? You get here T25 is 21D and T11 is 7D. How many times it? 3 times. So we can say, so T25 is triple of T11. So this type of questions, there are 3 equations. First it is given what is fourth term is 0, I write here. From this you find the value of A. Then next, here is the condition that 25 term is triple of 11 term. You have to prove, it is not condition, you have to prove that to prove that 25th term is the triple of 11 term. So we should find here 25th term, that is 21D. 11 term is 7D. And find here that it is 7D, it is 21D, then it is 3 times. So it is clear that 25th term is the triple of its 11th term. Now see question number 30. That is the 9th term of an AP is minus 32 and the sum of its 11th and 13th term is minus 94. Find the common difference of AP. Here 2 conditions is given. You write first solution. And here given 9th term is minus 32, that means T9 is minus 32. T9 means A plus 9 minus 1 into D is equal to minus 32. Here is A plus 8D is equal to minus 32. It is first equation. Next your question, the sum of its 11th and 13th term, that is your given T11 plus T13 term is minus 94. What is T11? That is A plus 11 minus 1 into D plus A plus 13 minus 1 into D is equal to minus 94. Then here is A plus 10D plus A plus 12D is equal to minus 94. Then A plus A 2A plus 22D is equal to minus 94. Then A plus 11D is equal to minus 47. Because 2 are the common here, then 2A plus 22D is equal to 94, then A plus 11D is equal to minus 47. And A plus 8D is equal to minus 32. Minus 32. Then see here, that is a plus, then minus, here plus, then minus, then plus. What you get? You get here 3D. And here is minus 15. So what is D? D is equal to minus 5 by 3. Then it is minus 5. So D is equal to minus 5 answer. And this D is called common difference of the AP. So dear student, your question find the common difference of AP, then common difference of AP is minus 5. In your question asking you what is AP, then you substitute the value of -5 in first and you get A, and then you clear that what is the AP. So there are two equations. First equation is 9th term is AP, that is -32, and second equation is sum of its 11th term and 13th term. Sum of its 11th term and 30th term is -94. The 11th term is A plus 11 minus 1 into D, and plus 13th term is A plus 13 minus 1 into D minus 94. Then A plus 10D, A plus 12D minus 94. Then 2A plus 22D minus 94. Then it is clear that is D is -5. It is the common difference. 33 questions. If 10 times the 10th term of an AP is equal to 15 times the 15th term, so that its 25th term is 0. Here is condition given that T10 is equal to 10 times T10 into 10 is equal to 15 into T15. Here is given that 10 times of 10 term is equal to 15 times the 15 term. So you write here A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 15 and multiply by 10 is equal to 15 into A plus 15 minus 1 into D. You write A plus 9D into 10 is equal to 15 A plus 14D. Then here is 10A plus 90D is equal to 15A plus 14 into 15. It is 60 and it is 15 4 is 60 and it is 15. Then you get 6651, that is 210. 10. Then 10A minus 15A is equal to 210D minus 90D. Then T minus 5A is equal to here 210 and 90. Then it is 120D. So what is A? That is A is minus 24D. Dear student, you get A is equal to minus 24D. Now your question show that A 25th term is 0. What is 25th term? This is T25. It is equal to A plus 25 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 24D. And now A is given in first equation. That is A is given minus 24D. So we write here minus 24D plus 24D, both are cancelled, that is 0. So it is clear is T25 term is 0. When it condition is given that 10 term on AP is equal to 15 term of the AP, and from this equation you find A is equal to minus 24D, and then your question, what is T25? Then T25 is the 0. So your question is prove that it is 25th term is 0. Now it is the last question of today's session. Remaining questions of up to questions number 35 you try to by self. If any problem, then ask to me.